Is she a threat to national security? Of course not. Utangin na sino nag-a-advise dyan sa presidente national threat, no? Ang threat to national security is a president na nagdodroga. That is a threat to national security. Corruption is a threat to national security. Corruption, a threat to national security. Kasi pagka nagnanakaw ka, hindi umaabot sa mga kababayan natin ang dapat na serbisyo. Hindi nabibili ng armed forces yung kanyang dapat bilhin na equipment. Therefore, mahina yung armed forces. Kaya threat to national security. Hindi nagagawa ng gobyerno yung dapat niyang gawin in terms of services, in terms of delivery ng mga dapat, basic needs. Yung food security natin, import tayo ng import. Therefore, yung pagnanakaw ng Congress is a threat to national security. Yung droga na yan is a threat to national security. Mahinayo pa kayo? Congress is a threat to national security. Yung ginagawa niyan, nandyan yung NPA. That is a threat to national security. Bopol, kayong lahat. Tangina ninyo. Tapos pipilit nyo, Inday is a threat to national security. No! Inday is a threat to your political ambition. Mga gago! Tangina nyo, gagaguhin yung taong bayan. Inday Sara Duterte is a threat to your political ambition. Is a threat to your activities of corruption. Tangina nyo. And we will polarize. Para kay Inday, maggago kayo.